While scrolling Instagram, I came up to something which says physically strong and mentally indestructible. Yeah, this is in total contradiction to the current scenario where women are considered physically and mentally incapable. Or I should say that women themselves are giving opportunity for the people to think that they are weak. So, myself Maria Amravatiwala, B Pharmacy, second year student of Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy, Nagpur. Warm greetings to everyone watching this, especially so-called hashtag physically and mentally incapable women of our very own country, India. First of all, why are we so concerned about discussing this topic? Why have women in India become so weak that I have to select this as the topic of my speech? One thing is clear, that if a woman is mentally ill, then we cannot expect that the woman will be physically fit. So, first I'll emphasize the ways by which we women can become mentally capable. In this regard, I would like to share my two experiences. Whenever I walk out in public, I see people staring at me. That staring acts like a mental torture and forces me to become more conscious about my dressing sense, my hairstyle and all that stuff. So it makes me mentally incapable. The other experience is that I have seen people asking my mother, why is she working very hard and spending a lot of money towards my education? According to their conservative thinking, I would get married, and after marriage, I would become totally incapable of supporting my mother both financially and emotionally. So according to me, these two experiences are the root causes which would have made me mentally incapable if I had considered those stereotypes to be more superior than my mental capabilities. In conclusion, first identify your weakness and learn from them. Don't let stereotypes break your spirit. Take control of your life, achieve success in your field of interest, and become so independent that you pay for your own expenses. Don't let breakdowns of love and friendship affect your mental health. In such situation, keep your hand here and follow my 3L rule. LLL. Learn, let go, and look forward. Now, moving towards the second part, that is the physical health and capacity of women. Maintaining physical health these days is both easy and difficult. Easy because there are gyms, training institutes everywhere, and if you want to work out at home, videos are available which are free and absolutely helpful. After all these resources too, it is difficult to maintain proper physique because of the fast and unhealthy lifestyle. So there is a need to find some middle path. Firstly, women should dispose of this thought that they cannot be as strong as men. Now, let's have a look at few examples that necessitates a strong physique of women. Firstly, the new emerging diseases like corona have threatened people with weak immunity. So women, especially 30 years and above, should take care of their health. Diseases such as PCOD, cancer of breast, uterus and ovary are getting very common. So, precautions have to be taken. Secondly, criminal cases, rape cases, domestic violence, harassment cases are recorded every day. So, women should learn judo, karate or any other self-defense to deal with these threatening situations. Now, let's have a look at some quick ways to maintain health in our busy lifestyle. Firstly, have a balanced diet, exercise for at least 20 minutes, drink a lot of water, increase your running speed to deal with vulnerable situation and take 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. In conclusion, I would like to say that it's now high time that we show the world that we are more than just victims. We are not just princesses waiting to be saved. It's time to prove everyone wrong by achieving what they thought was impossible in the history of womanhood. Stand strong and let the world see that we are capable of greater things. Thank you very much. If you found it interesting, do like it.